guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make Jamaican fried dumpling. Please stick around and watch this video. First, I'm gonna start by making the dough. I've already washed my hands because you're gonna need this. You wanna ensure that you wash your hands before kneading the flour. 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 cups of flour, and this is all-purpose flour. Now we're just gonna rub in the fat into the flour. This is gonna give it a nice golden color, and this is gonna make it melt in your mouth, the butter. Alright, I always say butter makes everything better, so we're just adding the butter to it. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And I have a cup of water here. I was just gonna knead the dough until it comes together. So we're not gonna add all the water at first, we're just gonna add it gradually to form the dough. So you want to knead this until everything is removed from the side of the bowl. So we're going to rest this for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And we're going to heat the oil to fry the dumplings in. Now I'm going to turn on the heat on medium high. And I'm going to add the oil to the pot. So we're going to wait for this to heat up before adding the dumplings. While the oil is heating, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can make your dumpling if you can't make them. So you're just going to take a generous amount and roll it in your hands like this. Just roll it into a ball and you just fry them. It doesn't matter. This is the simplest way you can fry them. And there is another way that I know where you just tuck in, keep on tucking in, tucking in. Just like how you'd make boiled dumpling, and then you just smooth off the top with your hands like that, and they're gonna turn it into a ball. So these are 2 ways you can make them if you don't know how to make the dumpling. So now we're just gonna lower the heat and allow the dumplings to soak. See, they're forming that beautiful golden color. This is how you want it. So as I said before, just lower the heat. You don't want this to be high at this point. These are nice and golden brown, and they are frying for at least 5 to 6 minutes right now. And they're very light, and I'm going to take them out of the pot. This is how you want them. Look at this. They're very nice and soft. Now I'm going to add the next batch. And here you have it, guys, my Jamaican fried dumpling. Just want to let you guys know what one man can do, another can. So you guys can achieve this beautiful fried dumpling too. So if you like this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And also leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite combo with fried dumplings? These are smelling amazing, guys. They're smelling very delicious. This is how your grandmother used to make them. This is how you like them. So please try out this recipe, guys. And now I'm going to do a taste test for you. Just going to break into it for you guys to see how soft these are. Oh my goodness. Nice and flaky. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next videos, and you can also check out my other videos. Bye, guys.